Question 5a. We've been asked to multiply out the following expressions and then simplify them. So let's begin with question A. X minus 5 into x squared minus 2x plus 7. The trusty arrow method should help us expand this and simplify. So first of all, we have the first term in the first bracket acting on the first in the second. We need a second arrow and a third arrow, which we'll denote by 1, 2, 3. And similarly here, we'll add in, include 3 arrows that will help us break the brackets. Those will be denoted by 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's break this down. Doing the little calculation suggested by arrow 1, it's x times x squared, that is otherwise known as x to the power 3. Arrow 2, x times minus 2x. X times minus 2x, that will give us negative 2x squared. Arrow 3, x times 7, that's just plus 7x. Arrow 4 is negative 5 times x squared. That would be the same thing as subtracting off 5x squared. Arrow 5, that will be negative 5 times negative 2x. We'll get the presence of 2 negative signs here. 2 negatives make a positive, so that will overall give us 10x. Adding on 10x. Then arrow 6 is negative 5 times 7. That is negative 35 or minus 35. Okay, now we can look at gathering like terms. Well, first of all, notice that there's only one term in x cubed, or x to the power 3, which we'll write out at the beginning, and we'll scratch that off to denote the fact we've acknowledged it. What about the terms in x squared? Well, we have 2 of those. We've got minus 2x squared minus 5x squared. Minus 2x squared minus 5x squared is minus 7x squared. Scratch those off. What about terms in x? Well, we've got 2 of those. Plus 7x plus 10x. Overall, that will give us plus 17x. And there's our only constant sitting by itself that needs no further modification. That's simply minus 35. And that is the end of the question.